Oh, where are my headphones? I just took like a million pictures with this gigantic box. This is another Amazon haul. And I think this is becoming a problem. So this time I got more weird stuff. Very necessary things. The light that I'm using, since it's right in front of me, what happened was, so that little part, okay, so the thing that holds the phone, that one of the little part broke in my other light. So I was about to go buy like just another iPhone like holder, but there was a 10-inch light for just 10 bucks or $11. And the iPhone holder would have been like $9 anyways. Ignore my nails, they're not done. I'm letting them heal. I kind of like messed them up. They're on a break. Anyways, so yeah, I got a 10-inch ring light, LED ring light, since it was gonna be like around the same price anyways, just to get the little thingies. So I was like, might as well do the whole thing. Just TMI, okay? And then the second thing that I got that I thought was necessary was lip liner pencils. I don't know why I felt like I needed lip liner pencils, because I feel like adding more lip to my makeup. Anywho, this is more of like justifying the things that I bought, okay? But I used 2 separate colors to get this concoction right here. And then I just put some lip gloss over. And I just put some more lip gloss on. There, I feel better already. Okay, and then, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This was absolutely necessary. I just bought a laptop, right? I've had laptops before, obviously, because I've done online school and I've even worked online. So of course I've had laptops before, but nothing ever lasts in the world of Mo. So I had to buy another laptop. So I had to buy a bag big enough for my laptop. Listen, this is cute. Like, I don't shop based off of like brand, luckily. So this is why this right here was just a purchase off of Amazon. And I think it is a laptop carrier. My laptop is about 14 inches. So I really wanted a bag that would be big enough to hold my laptop. This is called what if I got to go somewhere and I have to bring my laptop with me? And I have something that could hold it. You know, I have a big, beautiful bag that I could just put on and zip. Dude, anywho, absolutely necessary. Okay, remember these words: necessary. Okay. These are wig stands. I need somewhere to put these when I take them off. Sometimes I don't sleep with my wig on. I mean, taking them off, putting them somewhere. And I'm guessing this is how this goes. Awesome. Cool. Then you could just put your wig on top. Yeah. So, of course, you see this. If you see this, that means I have bleach, which is absolutely necessary. I'm gonna bleach one of my wigs. I only have 2 wigs in total, like 2 wigs ever, because it's the first time I'm experimenting with wigs and whatnot. Yeah, I've like washed these, put them on, or reapplied them, what do you call it? And it was just super necessary to get these. So yeah, I can't wait to do all of this. Okay, so this is really funny, but this came in its own package like way earlier than the other items, and it was like it all came in on the same day. But anyways, look, I got this color right here, and I'm thinking bleaching and then coloring, but I'm probably gonna bleach the hair first, rock it bleached blonde. Yeah, so that's everything that I bought on Amazon. If you want to, you know, like help my addiction, my shopping addiction, just cash out me here. I'm kidding, but I'm not kidding. Ew, look at my thumb. Peace out. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe or don't, or like this video or dislike it, whatever. I don't care. Do what you gotta do. Free person, it's a free country, yada yada yada. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.